Hey everybody, we're going to make ant traps today because these little ants are getting on my nerves. I'm not talking about these two. I'm talking about the real ants. It has been raining a lot and they're coming into the house and we do not like insects in the house, so we are making little ant traps.
We're making ant traps?
That's right. So we have some mason jars and we have a Phillips screwdriver.
We're having this.
Yep, and we're going to put the lid on it.
I mean, put this side and make it pop.
Okay, can I hold that, please? I'll show you where to do it, and then you get the hammer.
Let me hold this.
You hold that. I'm going to hold this here, and I need you to pop it. I need you to back. Oh, watch your hand. Watch your hand. Good job. Okay, Warren's turn. Warren's turn. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, now you're Warren's turn.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. Okay. Warren's turn. Let me get it going. Hold on. Okay, your turn. All right, let's do another one. Warren's turn.
Okay.
Okay. Good job. Another one. Watch out. Okay, your turn.
Puppy.
Yeah. Oh boy.
What's the one?
Oh, start. Okay. Excuse me. Warren, William, can you let Warren have a turn, please?
Yeah.
Yes, it's Warren's turn.
Let me have a turn.
Hey, be nice.
Yeah. Let me have a turn.
Oh, hold on to it stronger. Good. Okay, now it's your turn. We have to take turns and be nice. Okay, let's start it right here.
This part?
Yeah. Let me get it going. Can I get it going? Okay.
Make a pop. Make a pop.
Okay. I want you to hit my hand. Can you turn a little bit? There you go.
Let me do it. Okay, put it here. Pull hard. Wait.
It's heavy, isn't it?
You put it.
All right. Okay. Okay. So we have popped holes in the lid, so that's where the ants are going to enter the trap. Let's take the lid off. Now we're going to put something in there. Okay? So we're going to put some sugar in there. That's going to attract the ants. Warren, stay up here. Stay up here. Stand up, please. Hold on. Okay, we're going to add some sugar. Okay. And next we're going to add some sodium tetraborate. It's a natural mineral. Okay. There's a little hole. Okay, I think Warren needs to pour this one. Help me pour it. Whoa, that's a tiny, tiny, tiny bit.
Just paper.
Okay. We're going to add just a little bit of water. A little bit of water. We'll get that one in just a minute. Just enough until it gets all dissolved. Okay, Warren, you want to stir it?
What's it?
Well, you're holding it. You hold the bottle. Or you take a turn, and then Warren will take a turn. Stir it, stir it, stir it.
Oh, paper.
Okay. All right, Warren, your turn to stir. Warren, your turn to stir. Good job.
This one is too.
Yeah.
Maybe. Do I this one? Maybe
Okay, that's turned out really good. Okay, where's the lid? Where's the lid that we made?
This.
Here it is. We're going to twist it on.
Maybe put this
You're gonna
on.
make it.
Maybe put this
So
on.
this is our, hold it up to the camera so we can see. That's for the other trap. Hold it up. Okay. We made an ant trap. They work really good.
Me.
Yeah, don't shake it. It's got holes in the top.